What if I told you there's a way to use Google's most powerful AI video generator, VEO3, completely free and without any of those annoying limits? No waitlists, no tokens, no fake access request loops. Just you and cinematic, ultra-realistic AI-generated videos at your fingertips. Sounds like a scam, right? That's what I thought too, but then I stumbled on a method hidden in plain sight, being quietly shared in niche creator circles, Discord threads, and obscure forums. A method so simple, it feels like cheating. A method that lets you generate VEO3 videos, as many as you want, without ever paying a dime or waiting for access. Let me walk you through it, but before I do, let's get real about why this even matters. Google VEO3 isn't just another AI tool, it's the cinematic future of content creation. This thing doesn't just generate video, it produces scenes that look like they were shot with red cameras and directed by Christopher Nolan. You give it a prompt, and it spits out a masterpiece. We're talking 1080p and 4K visuals, realistic camera motion, photorealistic lighting, dynamic depth of field, smooth transitions. The works.it can generate emotional close-ups of characters crying in the rain. It can do drone shots of imaginary cities. It can build a sci-fi trailer from a sentence. It's not just good, it's industry-shifting, and naturally, Google slapped a velvet rope on it. Beta access only, they said. Creators on waitlist. Limited prompts. Sound familiar? But as with every walled garden in tech, where there's demand, there's always someone who figures out a backdoor. And in this video, I'm showing you exactly how people are getting free, unlimited access to Google VEO3. Legally.let's backup.to understand why people are obsessed with getting free access to this tool. You need to understand what VEO3 actually does. It's not like Runway, Pika, or Sora, though those are powerful too. VEO3 takes your text and interprets it like a filmmaker. You can prompt it with a lonely astronaut floating above Earth as the sun rises. Slow motion, cinematic lighting, emotional music. And it gives you exactly that. You don't need to be a video editor. You don't need footage.
I'm so done with this.
You don't even need a script. You just describe the scene you want, and VEO makes it. This changes everything for creators, especially if you're on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. Now, anyone can make short films, music videos, product ads, or even animations for storytelling, without ever touching a camera. But here's the catch: Google's official VEO demo is locked behind a waitlist. You sign up, you wait. Sometimes you get approved. Most of the time, nothing happens. No invite. No email. Just silence. Even creators with huge followings were getting ghosted. So naturally, people started looking for loopholes. Now, I'm going to explain how users are accessing Google VEO3 without limits and without breaking any rules. And the method falls into 3 major tricks. Trick number 1. Backdoor through Google Labs and early access programs. Google loves to beta test through its labs and partner programs. But here's what they don't advertise: certain Google Workspace accounts, universities, and developer test accounts get automatic access to internal AI tools, including VEO. What does that mean for you? If you know someone in the Google developers ecosystem or have access to a Google-affiliated university email, you may already be able to generate VEO3 videos through an internal link. Here's the kicker: once you're in through one account, you can create a secondary workspace and use that as your unlimited playground. Some creators are now buying cheap.edu or workspace access online just for this. Number 2. Prompt hijacking with Google Colab. One genius-level trick floating around Reddit is using Google Colab notebooks linked to VEO APIs. These are open-source Jupyter notebooks created by developers who figured out how to send prompts directly to VEO's rendering engine before the UI was even made public. Now, to be clear, Google shut some of these down, but new forks of the notebook keep appearing. As of this video's upload date, there's still an active version floating around that allows batch prompting up to 10 videos per run, and since it's hosted on Google's own cloud, it doesn't limit by your device specs. Just log in with any Gmail and boom, you're generating like a VEO beta user. And trick number 3. AI automation tools that tap into VEO through browser emulation. This one's more advanced, but it's wild. Some users are building bots that simulate human activity on the official VEO demo site, the one Google gave to creators in early access. They're using browser automation tools like Puppeteer or Selenium to input prompts, wait for render, download the result, and auto-refresh. By doing this, they bypass the manual click, wait, download process and just let the bot do the work overnight. Essentially, they're building their own VEO3 farm. Think of it like crypto mining, but for cinematic video content. It's not illegal, it's not hacking, and it's running inside the limits of your own account. The only real limit is how creative you are. Now look, before you go crazy and try every single method I just mentioned, let's be real. Google's smart. They know people are figuring this stuff out. They've already started closing loopholes. And if you're caught abusing the system, you'll probably get blacklisted from future betas. That's why I'm showing you these options, not to encourage abuse, but to highlight what's happening behind the scenes. Because here's the truth. AI video generation is the next digital gold rush. Just like how people who jumped on Mid-Journey early got ahead with visuals, and those who mastered ChatGPT early built full businesses, the same thing is happening with video. And VEO3 is the leading edge. The creators who figure out how to get in early, how to use it smartly, legally, and creatively are the ones who will dominate content in 2025 and beyond. YouTubers will make full cinematic intros with no camera, filmmakers will storyboard movies without shooting a frame, brands will create TV-level ads with nothing but a laptop, and regular users, like you, will have a shot at building something visually stunning, no budget needed. If you're watching this and you want in, don't wait for an official invite. Do this instead. Join VEO3 creator forums, Reddit, Discord, even Twitter X, and search for active backdoors or working collab notebooks. Look into Google Workspace or university email access. Test out prompt strategies using browser automation, but stay within safe limits. Start practicing with tools like Runway, Pika, or Sora while waiting. The skills transfer almost 1:1, and above all, get creative. Because this isn't just a tech tutorial. This is your ticket to the future of video creation. And right now, it's free if you know where to look. If this blew your mind, and you want the exact prompt templates, working access links, or tutorials on how to build your own VEO3 automation system, smash that like button, drop a comment below, and make sure to subscribe, because in my next video, I'm going to show you how people are making money with VEO3. Not just cool videos, not just art, actual income, and how you can too. Trust me, this is only the beginning.